I have a secret for you. Do you know every letter in English has a special sound and a different action too? Would you like to learn the sounds and action with me? Come, let's get started. A says apple, apple, apple. B says ball, ball, ball. C says cat, cat. D says dog, dog. E says egg. F says fish. G says gate. H says hand. I says igloo. J says jug. K says kite. L says lion. M says mommy. N says nose. O says octopus. Octopus. E says parrot. Q says queen. R says rat. S says snake. T says train. U says umbrella. Umbrella. V says victory. W says windmill. X says egg. Y says yort. Z says zero. A, B, C are the all new song. We say abacadabra. Did you enjoy learning the ABC Phonics song with the actions? Hit the like button, subscribe for more such fun videos, and do share your favorite letter action in the comments below. Bye for now. See you soon.